Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright. Let's do this shout out. There we go. This week we are shouting out Denali down south. Cool. Good dude. Actually, he just changed his channel name, so I'm gonna put that in the title of the video. Will be changed to his name, which completely escapes my brain right now. But nonetheless, the channel will be linked down in the description. You can go check him out. Well, there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description. And there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you, and I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.